Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options. And here we've got two different options connected with the networking. So we've got mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi separately. So let me start with this one. Just tap on the option and tap on Reset Settings. We'll have to confirm everything with the screen lock. Be aware because you cannot undo this action. Reset Settings, and we've got the information. And of course the same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on this option, tap on Reset, and we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.